In this tutorial, you will learn how to uninstall Canon Inkjet Smart Connect in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. Click on the little dots to open the Canon Inkjet Smart Connect options. Click on Advanced Options. First, press Uninstall. The Canon Inkjet Smart Connect app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Canon Inkjet Smart Connect again. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. Click on Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. Press Get. Wait for Canon Inkjet Smart Connect to be downloaded and installed. Now open Canon Inkjet Smart Connect. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.